Hello travelers, this is my travel blog from Galle, Sri Lanka. Right before my trip to Sri Lanka, I met with a bike accident that left me with a few bruises and a knee-deep wound. Despite that, I managed to travel to Galle, Sri Lanka on a wheelchair. So here is my travel blog. Hope you enjoy it.
Welcome to Galle! Hello people, I'm Vijaya. You're watching another episode of the Meraki Explorer. Today we're going to this place called Galle in Sri Lanka, which is on the coastal side in the south western part of Sri Lanka. So I've come to this place or this bus stand which is called as Makumburu bus stand, and fortunately for me I was able to get wheelchair assistance, and now I'm going to go ahead and take a bus to go to Galle. So the bus ticket has costed us about 410 rupees, and this bus also has like a small canteen upstairs. So my friend has got some munchies for the journey. What have you got with you? A lot of chips. So we've boarded the bus, and a really nice thing is that the bus is clean. There's also like a charging port here, but instead of that we've kept our bags. And the best part is the leg space because of my bruised leg. And next stop is Galle. Because of this bruise, I'm trying to eat as nutritious and healthy I can. So I've taken the orange juice for 50 Sri Lankan rupees. Let's see how it is. Pretty nice. I like how they've had chia seeds, and only 50 rupees. Isn't that a good deal? We managed to reach our hotel, which is called as Honey in Petewala, and we're finally near to the sea. Let me show you. We checked into our hotel and we finally managed to get some lunch. We're at this place called Reggae Cafe. I've ordered the vegetable noodles. Costed me 450 rupees, and this along with that view is amazing. So we had a really nice sleep, and then we watched the sunset. It was slightly cloudy, so the sunset wasn't so glorious, but it was really nice regardless. And we managed to find a local place, and we've come here to eat dinner. So I've ordered the egg hopper, and finally I'm gonna eat this. This costed about 50 rupees, and I'm so glad because otherwise all the places around were quite expensive. So Vidya came up with a very nice idea of buying bread, butter and jam, and we're saving more money by doing this. We ordered a chai. The chai is really nice, not so strong but still good. And this is dinner for today. I'm trying the string hoppers for the first time with some coconut chutney, and let's see how it is. Very similar to the idiyappam that we eat in Kerala. you need to be careful. The vegetarian options in Sri Lanka are quite less. Also, yesterday she took vegetable fried rice, but it smelled a little bit of fish. Same with the hopper, smelled of egg. So just be a little careful. Fortunately, this does not taste of anything. Do you want to try it? She's taking no chances. Oh man. So we took a local bus to go to Gold Fort, and the ticket costed us 25 rupees per person. Quite economical to the tuk-tuk that we took yesterday. And I'm able to slightly bend my knees, so that's a progression. Vidya is heading to the Dutch Fort, and I'm heading to the hospital. So this is one important thing that I noticed in Sri Lanka, and that people are quite disciplined when it comes to traffic rules, and it is also pedestrian friendly. When I was limping with my bruised leg, a lot of the vehicles stopped and let me pass, and that was a really nice thing. So today I managed to come to the hospital by my own because my friend Vidya is leaving tomorrow. So I came to the Asri hospital, but the Galle branch, and looks like my wound is still healing, still bad. So I'm going to get this dressing done and probably go back and just relax today. Got the dressing done, and I've been advised to just stay at home because my leg is still swollen, and I first thought I would go to the Dutch food, but it looks like I can't. Also, we came to New Goal Inn restaurant, and I've ordered the fish and egg fried rice. Nice. The Sri Lankans eat a lot of spicy food. It's like they like their stomach burning like fire hell. Guess what? It is raining here. I'm so excited. Also, I'm pretty happy that I made it in time at home. Otherwise, my wound would have got all messed up. But it smells of petrol. It's beautiful. Let me show you. So we're ending our vacation in Galle by just watching this amazing serene sunset. Never stayed near the sea so close. I mean, where you see those rooms, right? That's where we're staying. When we sleep, we can hear the waves. It is amazing. So I'm at a local shop in Galle, and this is how hoppers are made. It's made with rice flour and quite similar to the appams that you get in Kerala, however slightly different because they're more crispy. Oh, look at that. So this is day 3 in Galle, and I'm ending my trip, Galle trip here. I'm heading to the next place, which is called as Matra, and I'm going to take a bus from the Galle main road, which is the Galle Colombo road, and head to Matra. So I hope you enjoyed my travel vlog, and please like, comment, share, subscribe to the Meraki Explorer. Let me know if you have any suggestions, and if you want me to travel to a place of your liking in Sri Lanka. Signing off on this note. See ya!